Welcome! Let's make your favorite candles at home. I will be using a mix of soy wax and beeswax. Let's begin. We're going to add our waxes in a container and then we're going to melt them down. Always check the temperature on your wax packaging. It's usually mentioned. I am going to melt down my wax at 180 Fahrenheit. Remember, it's Fahrenheit, it's not Celsius. Meanwhile, our wax is melting. I'm going to prepare the molds. These are the rose flower molds, and I'm just adding the wicks on it. Since they will be in a bouquet, that's why I'm adding these inside the molds. You can skip this step if you are making just the melts. If you want your candles to be scented, you have to add a fragrance oil. It should be pure and organic. I am using lavender. The fragrance is mixed. I'm going to add tiny amounts in the molds. This step is important if you want to have some white effects on the roses, which you will see in the end of the video. Next is coloring. We have to use candle specific dyes. You cannot use anything else, so make sure you're using the correct colors or dyes. I am using this red color. Just fill them up, do not overflow, just make sure they are equally leveled. Since I was left with some wax, I'm going to add some deep purplish mauve, and I'm gonna pour it in this mold. Secure these wicks to the center. After a few hours, it's time to demold, and you will see I am not actually increasing the speed of the video. This is how you should do it, very slowly and very gently. And you have your rose. You see the white effects? This is what I was talking about previously in the video. Let's demold this one as well. I have attached these sticks so that it's easier to hold the flowers of our bouquet. The white effect is beautiful. This is a two-tone candle wax rose. Let's demold the next one. Now let's assemble our bouquet. You can take any containers. I am taking this aluminum because I love the gold effect in it. Fill up your containers with this foam, and I have arranged decorative tissue paper around it so that just to give it a bouquet effect. You can fill up the gaps with dried flowers and or anything else, whatever comes in your mind. So here is the final look of our roses in a bouquet, and these roses are candle roses. This is another arrangement. I did it on a glass jar. I hope you guys like this video and you learned something new. Thank you.